Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to center an icon on the canvas inside GroovePages. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be creating a new site with a blank canvas. I'm going to keep things simple. I'm going to create a simple one-column layout, and I'm going to place an icon within that one column, and we're going to center the icon inside that column. So we're going to start by opening up the block side panel, the empty section, and I'm going to grab a one-column layout. Next, we'll dive into the element sidebar, and we're going to scroll down until we get to the media section, and I'm going to grab an icon from here. All right, so now we've got our icon on the canvas, and as we can see, it's aligned to the left, and the goal is to get it in the center of the column. So I'm going to select this first, and I'm going to just change the icon right here, make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change the color as well. There we go. All right, now to actually get it in the center of the column, what we want to do is we want to go back into the design tab. And for icons, we actually need to set the alignment on the element containing the icon rather than the icon itself. So this icon is inside a column, and we want to actually set the alignment on that column rather than on the icon. So to select the parent element, we're just going to click the little up arrow over here. And now we have selected the parent element. And what we'll do right now is we'll open up the text section right here, and we're going to click the text center option right here. And as you can see, that nicely places the icon in the center of the column. If you would want to align it to the right, we simply click text align right, and same for on the left over here.